as part of the National Flood Insurance Program. The floodplain areas are mapped and we are required to regulate development in those areas. In those areas, we have regulations for how development can be built, what kind of development. Any development that occurs can't increase the flood risk on anybody else. So make sure that you reach out to us and ask questions before you start building something. Our map update process started in 2016, actually. So it takes a very long time to get through the process. So with that map update, some streams and rivers were completely restudied, some were evaluated and left the same. Part of this effort with the map update is to make sure that residents know what their flood risk is. We do have an online map that shows where it is. It's called the Flood Zone and Dam Safety Information Map. It's available on our website through the Public Works page. As part of this map update process, we have been notifying all impacted parcel owners. And if you have a home or building in the floodplain, there are flood insurance requirements, so it could be mandatory or a new requirement now if you are newly added into that. So that is something you'd want to work on with your lender and check with them and your insurance agent. FEMA does offer a discount for anyone that's newly mapped into the floodplain. So if the building is newly mapped, it's called a newly mapped discount that they offer, so it can be a little bit cheaper. And then we also are actively working to join the Community Rating System program, which is a program that gives us discounts on flood insurance premium. We will be in that program as a Class 5, which will give residents a 25% discount on their flood insurance premium if it is a National Flood Insurance Program policy. We'd recommend that you get flood insurance anyway, even if it's not mandatory, because regular homeowners and renters insurance doesn't actually cover flood damages. Part of this map update process, we recognize this might be a big change, it might be very confusing and a lot of information, it can be overwhelming. So we've actually created a help desk to help our residents and business owners that might have questions. We're here to help anybody that has any questions about the map updates or floodplains in general. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to us through the help desk or just our staff in Public Works.